Hi friends, today we will see what to do with silver coins that we get in PUBG. You get it when you complete some mission or clear some level. In order to redeem silver coins that you have to click on the shop symbol. The shop symbol, you will find it here on the right side. Tap on that and here you click on redeem. If you have coins, you can click on BP. You can buy many items using the BP coins. But if you have silver coin, you have to click on redeem. So tap on that. So you see many things to purchase. The number of silver coins required for that mentioned below. You can buy a hat, you can buy helmet. It's costing around 146 silver coins. I have a total of 3,277 silver coins. It's mentioned here. You can buy earphone with hat. I mean, there are many things you can buy. So one thing I like is the parachute trail. You have 3 colors, 50 silver coins each, and when you jump, your other friend or players will also get to see it. So I can buy, since it's 50, I can buy up to 10. One parachute trail will be valid for 1 jump. I'll buy 50 parachute jump. So next time I jump, I'll see this trail. Okay, see the trail that's coming out of his hands here. I still have 777 silver coins. I can buy this classic crate coupon so that I can redeem it for something else. And once you have all this, you can go to inventory and see what you get from these coupons. So what all we can buy from these crate coupons and cards, we'll see in another video. Don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. See you in another video soon. Till then, have a nice time.